Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about the Pythagoras theorem, and you should have done Pythagoras in grade 8, but this is just a kind of recap. So the Pythagoras theorem, like trigonometry, takes place in right-angled triangles. It's quite a simple concept, but it gets more tricky once you apply it into word problems, etc. I think you're all familiar with that. Anyway, so as I said, it takes place in right angle triangles. This is where you learn the term hypotenuse. And okay, for the sake of it, let's name the side A, this side B, and the hypotenuse will name C. The Pythagoras theorem states that A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So it's quite simple, and through this formula, you can find out if you don't have the value for B, you can always do a what am I doing? C squared minus A squared is equal to B squared. And you can do the same if you want to find out A, or if you want to find out C, this is a formula given. For this chapter, you also need to know the basic triangles. Like there's the isosceles triangle, where the isosceles triangle is where two sides are equal and two angles are equal. So if you have a triangle like this, they say this is an isosceles triangle. Given that this side is equal to this side and these angles are equal to each other. And this sign means that all of these are equal. And the way you'll be using this in Pythagoras is many word problems will say there's an isosceles triangle with the side length of 5 centimeters for the sake of it, and you'll have to figure out everything else. So then you'll have to split this, and you know this is a right angle, and you know this is 10 centimeters, and you're given the angle and the right angle. So with that you'll be able to find out the this length and the base length. You'll be applying it in many different ways, and the most famous Pythagoras triplet is like easy. If you're given this length as 3, then you know that there's a theorem where the 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to 5 squared. This is called a Pythagorean triplet, where Pythagoras applies to this triplet. So a squared plus b squared will always equal to c squared. And if you then are given that the hypotenuse is 5 centimeters, you immediately know that this one of them is 3 and the other one is 4. So that's like a really easy way of figuring it out. And also you'll be given stuff like the hypotenuse would be square root of 5. Let's say it would be square root of 5, and one of the lengths would be 2. So let's just draw a rough triangle over here, where they're given this length is 5 and this is a right angle, and this side is 2, so and this side is x. You can give it x, so they say 2 squared plus x squared is equal to 5, because square root of 5 square root of 5 is 5, as they cancel each other out. Sorry, x squared, and then you bring 2 over here, so x squared is equal to 5 minus 4, so x squared is equal to 1, so x is equal to 1. So yeah, that's the easy stuff. I'll be solving sums in videos later, but this is basically the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you for watching.